cozy little house, not too far, lived Tom the cat, chasing Jerry the star. Jerry was tiny, clever and sly, with a twinkle of mischief in his bright little eye. Tom would tiptoe, soft on his paws, planning his scheme so he had many laws. Today I'll catch him, Tom would declare, but Jerry just laughed without a care. Jerry would peek from a tiny small hole. Catch me, Tom, you'll never reach your goal. He'd zip and he'd zoom behind the chairs, sliding down banisters without any cares. Tom would tumble, crash and fall. Meow, he'd yelp, bouncing off the wall. But Jerry, so cheerful, would dance around. Not a scratch on him, not a single sound. They'd race through kitchens, over the floor. Jerry with cheese, always wanting more. Tom would chase, jump and spin, but Jerry would slip out with a cheeky grin. Sometimes they'd pause just for a while, sharing a laugh or plotting a smile. Then back to the chase in the living room's light, a game of mischief from morning to night. Holes and cupboards the adventure went. Each trick and prank was perfectly meant. Though Tom tried his best, he couldn't rooms light. A game of mischief from morning to night. Through mouse holes and cupboards the adventure went. Each trick and prank was perfectly meant. Though Tom tried his best, he couldn't win. Jerry would escape with a cheeky grin. At the end of the day, when the sun said goodbye, Tom and Jerry would rest under the sky. Tomorrow's another day, another chase, full of giggles, tumbles, and lots of pace. So if you see a shadow dart past your eye, or hear a meow and a tiny squeak nearby, it's Tom and Jerry in their endless spree, the best of friends in mischief and glee.